What's going on everyone, welcome back to USA Cars Experts, your ultimate destination for the most powerful, luxurious, and extreme vehicles on the planet. If you're passionate about next-level trucks, insane motorhomes, and machines that look like they came straight out of a post-apocalyptic movie, you're in the right place. Today we are diving deep into one of the most outrageous creations ever imagined for 2027, the Apocalypse 8x8. The 2027 Apocalypse 8x8 is not just a truck, not just a motorhome, and definitely not just another heavy-duty build. This machine is a statement. It's built for those who don't believe in limits. From the very first glance, you understand that this vehicle wasn't designed to blend in. It was built to dominate everything around it. Let's start with the exterior presence. The Apocalypse 8x8 stands tall with an intimidating stance that instantly commands attention. The massive 8-wheel setup isn't just for show. It gives the vehicle unmatched traction, stability, and off-road capability. Whether you're climbing rocky terrain, crossing sand dunes, or cruising through snow-covered landscapes, this 8x8 drivetrain ensures power is distributed efficiently across all wheels. The result is a level of grip and control that most traditional 4x4 trucks can only dream of. The body design is aggressive, muscular, and unapologetically bold. Sharp lines, armored panels, reinforced bumpers, and a high ground clearance make it look like it was engineered for survival in extreme conditions. The front grille is massive and dominant, paired with high-intensity LED headlights that cut through darkness with authority. Add the roof-mounted light bars and heavy-duty skid plates, and you get a vehicle that feels ready for any challenge. But the Apocalypse 8x8 is not only about brute force. Step inside, and you enter a completely different world. The 2027 model pushes luxury to a new level. This is where rugged power meets premium comfort. The cabin is wrapped in high-grade leather, soft-touch materials, and precision stitching that rivals high-end luxury SUVs. Ambient lighting flows across the dashboard and door panels, creating a modern and futuristic vibe. The driver's cockpit is fully digital, featuring a massive infotainment display and customizable instrument cluster. Everything is designed to keep the driver in full control. Advanced navigation systems, off-road monitoring tools, 360-degree camera views, and terrain management modes are all integrated seamlessly. Despite its size and aggressive nature, the Apocalypse 8x8 offers a surprisingly refined and user-friendly driving experience. Now let's talk about what truly separates this vehicle from the rest: its motorhome configuration. The 2027 Apocalypse 8x8 motorhome variant transforms this beast into a luxury mobile mansion. Imagine having a fully functional bedroom, a premium kitchen, a stylish lounge area, and even a modern bathroom, all built into a machine that can conquer deserts and mountains. The sleeping area is designed for comfort and privacy. A spacious bed with premium cushioning, overhead storage, integrated lighting, and climate control makes it perfect for long adventures. The kitchen area features high-quality countertops, built-in appliances, smart storage solutions, and sleek cabinetry. Whether you're parked by the beach or deep in the wilderness, you can cook and relax in total comfort. The lounge space feels like a high-end apartment. Plush seating, entertainment screens, surround sound systems, and elegant interior finishes make it ideal for relaxing after a long journey. Even the bathroom is crafted with attention to detail, offering a compact yet luxurious setup with modern fixtures and smart space utilization. Under the hood, the 2027 Apocalypse 8x8 is powered by a high-performance engine designed to move this massive machine effortlessly. While exact specifications may vary depending on configuration, expect serious horsepower and torque numbers that match its extreme personality. Heavy-duty suspension systems, reinforced axles, and advanced braking technology ensure that this vehicle remains stable and secure even under intense conditions. What makes the Apocalypse 8x8 even more impressive is its customization potential. Buyers can tailor nearly every aspect of the vehicle. From exterior colors and wheel designs to interior materials and technology packages, this machine can be personalized to reflect individual style and purpose. Some owners may prefer a tactical military-inspired look, while others may opt for a sleek matte finish with luxury detailing. The possibilities are nearly endless. Safety is another area where the 2027 model shines. Despite its rugged build, the Apocalypse 8x8 integrates modern driver assistance systems. Adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, collision warning systems, lane keeping assistance, and reinforced structural engineering all work together to provide peace of mind. It's not just about power, it's about intelligent power. On the road, the experience is unlike anything else. The elevated seating position gives the driver a commanding view of the surroundings. The sound of the engine feels powerful yet controlled. Thanks to improved insulation and engineering upgrades for 2027, cabin noise is significantly reduced compared to earlier extreme builds. You get the thrill of driving a monster machine without sacrificing comfort. Off-road, however, is where the Apocalypse 8x8 truly comes alive. Steep inclines, uneven terrain, mud, sand, and snow, this vehicle handles it all with confidence. The 8-wheel configuration provides additional contact with the ground, improving balance and traction. Advanced suspension articulation allows each wheel to adapt independently, maintaining stability even when the terrain becomes unpredictable. Fuel efficiency may not be the primary focus for a vehicle of this size, but engineers have worked to optimize performance while maintaining reasonable range for long-distance travel. Paired with large fuel capacity and optional auxiliary systems, the Apocalypse 8x8 is built for extended adventures without constant stops. The 2027 edition also embraces modern connectivity. Wireless smartphone integration, premium sound systems, satellite connectivity options, and smart home-style controls for the living space ensure that you stay connected even when exploring remote areas. It's a blend of off-grid capability and high-tech convenience. Design-wise, the matte gray finish has become a popular choice for this model. It enhances the aggressive body lines and gives the vehicle a stealthy, tactical appearance. Under showroom lighting or natural sunlight, the matte surface highlights every contour and detail, making the Apocalypse 8x8 look even more dramatic. This vehicle isn't for everyone. It's for those who want something extraordinary. It's for explorers, collectors, entrepreneurs, and adventure seekers who refuse to settle for ordinary. Owning an Apocalypse 8x8 is about making a statement. It tells the world that you value strength, individuality, and freedom. In a market filled with standard SUVs and pickup trucks, the 2027 Apocalypse 8x8 stands in a category of its own. It challenges conventional design, pushes engineering boundaries, and redefines what a luxury motorhome truck can be. It combines survival-grade durability with high-end living comfort, creating a machine that's equally at home in the wild or in front of a luxury showroom. Imagine pulling up to an event, a campsite, or even just cruising down the highway in this 8x8 giant. Heads will turn, cameras will come out, conversations will start. This vehicle has presence, and that presence is impossible to ignore. As we look toward the future of extreme automotive design, the Apocalypse 8x8 represents a bold direction. Bigger, stronger, smarter, and more luxurious than ever before. It proves that innovation doesn't have to mean smaller or simpler. Sometimes, innovation means going bigger and building something the world has never truly seen before. If you could take the 2027 Apocalypse 8x8 anywhere in the world, where would you go? The desert, the mountains, cross-country road trips. Drop your thoughts in the comments below because we love hearing your ideas here at USA Cars Experts. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most extreme vehicles of 2027, make sure you subscribe to USA Cars Experts, hit that like button, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest uploads. We bring you the boldest builds, the wildest concepts, and the most powerful machines from across the automotive world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay driven.